Hello friends, I am Shamsandar and welcome to my channel. So friends, in today's video I will give you explanation about the interview questions of Turkey scholarship. In before video I just mentioned that questions which are most common in Turkey scholarship interview time. But in today's video I will also share my own experience and I will also give you the most consecutive answer of that question, that how you have to answer that questions, and how you can improve your chances in Turkey scholarship interview time to give most reliable and most good questions in your interview. So if you are new on our channel, subscribe the channel, and also you can follow my Instagram. My username is Sampandarwan and link is in the description. So let's start it. First question, and which is the most important question, that is that why did you choose Turkey? So this is the most asked question in interview. So you have to be perfectly ready for this question. That you have to find the reason that why you choose Turkey for studying. Firstly, you can give the answer that Turkey have the good education system, and these countries that you are coming from, or you can give another reason that Turkey have the most beautiful or historical places. Therefore, I came here, and I love culture of Turkey. Or you can say about your food, that what is your interest to came here. If your interest is just education, that education system is very good in Turkey, so you can just mention education system of Turkey. The education system of Turkey is good from my country or countries in this society or in these places around Turkey. So you can mention those countries also. If you have another reason that you choose Turkey, that you want to visit Turkey, you love the historical places in Turkey, or you love the foods there, so you can also mention that will be the good reason, and it will be the most perfect answer for this question. Second, and the most asked question is that what do you know about Turkey? So when you are coming to Turkey, before you will have the interview, that you know that I am giving explanation about that. For the interview, you have to collect information about Turkey a little bit, like about the historical places, about the food, about the education system. You have to search it from internet, and when you collect it, so then you have to be perfectly ready for your interview. You can mention those places as I mentioned before, that historical places in Turkey, like there are very famous mosques in Istanbul city. Istanbul city is also very famous city in the world, as you guys know. And also you can collect information about the foods, like in Turkey, which foods are very famous. And you can also about the serials, the dramas which are very famous these days, which is Turkish dramas. You can get information about that dramas, and you can explain in your interview time. Third, the most question asked question is that what do you know about the universities in Turkey and those university who works in your field? So you have to search, and for those university that you are selected in your application time, like there is a part that you can select 12 universities or 12 different departments. So which university do you have selected in your interview, in your application, sorry. So you have to know about that universities that work in your field. Also that university that you have selected, and that university to work in your field, so you have to search for that university, that how about their ranks, and how about their education system in that university, how about the departments. So you have to know a little bit about that university that you have selected, and that you want to get your bachelor, master, or PhD degree in that university. So this is also very important. The fourth, the most question is that like if we reject you, so then what you will be for the plan for future. So I will say that you have to mention that I will try harder and harder, and I will improve my skills for another year, and then I will apply for a second time. So this will be the most perfect answer for this question. If they ask you that if we reject you, so then what is your future plan? So you have to say that in this year, if I rejected, so then I will try more harder. I will improve my skills, and I will I will attend courses, and attend a lot of project seminars to improve my skill, and then I will apply for another year. Then maybe I will win the scholarship or get the scholarship. So this will be the most perfect question. Another questions that the fifth question, which is very important, that another governments also offer scholarships. So then why you prefer Turkey? So there maybe you can mention for second time that education system is very good in Turkey. So you can mention this also. You can mention your interest in Turkey. You are famous. You are famous or They are famous or were famous places in Turkey. So you can mention that places that for this reason I have chosen Turkey to study here. So this will be the most perfect answer. You can share your own experience about the food or culture or education system. So therefore I selected Turkey for my education, and I want to study in Turkey. So this, and sixth most asked question is that what do you know about your field? So this is the most I will say among all these questions, this is the most asked question, and this will be the most important question for you, that what do you know about your field? So if you are studying economics, engineering, or you are studying medical faculties, so you have to know a little bit about your universities. Like I know those two students who are applying now for the bachelor, so they don't know about their field, because in school time they don't know about, and they don't have that mindset about their field, because they have information but not that much. So you have to know a little bit about your field. So this is also very important, and this question is very important for the master and PhD, because those students who got their bachelor's degree in economics or another faculties like medical engineering or all those faculties that you are studying and that you want to study. So if you are studying for master, you are applying for master or PhD, so then you have to know something about your field. Maybe they will ask about your project, that have you done any project, have you have you written any proposal, or have you written any articles? So if you have, so then you can share with those guys, and it will improve your chances in scholarship. So then it will be more effective for you. So this is the most important question for everyone, that what do you know about your field? So our interest in your field is very important for masters, PhD, and also for bachelors. So the most important is for masters and PhD. Maybe they will ask about your projects, um, about research, and what do you know about your field, and what you have done in your bachelor's or master's degree. So then you can share your projects or research with those, and then you can improve your chances. Second most asked question is that after completing your studies, will you want to come back to your country, or return back to your country? So you have to ensure that you have to say yes, because they want to know that what's your love for the country. So when you came here, so you got education, and then you will go to the country. So you have to say that I want to come, when I complete my education in Turkey, so then I want to go back to my home country, and I want to give services to my people. I want to give service to my country, and I have to build my country by my own. So then this is the most perfect answer for this question. So you have to say something, and you have to say that I want to go back to our country, and do something for my country. And eighth most asked question is that do you know anyone in Turkey? So if you know, if your relative or your sibling, your friend or someone is studying in Turkey, so you can mention that one of my friend or my sister, my brother, or my relative is studying or living in Turkey, so I know them. If you don't know, so then you can say no, I don't know someone. So it will be no problem. Now most question is that who motivated you for this scholarship? Like from whom you get motivation, who motivate you to apply for this scholarship or to study in Turkey. So if your professor or your friend or someone motivated you, or who give you reference, must be maybe that person will be more important. So who will give you reference, or maybe they will ask if you say something about that person who motivated you, then maybe they can ask you about his or her email address or phone number. So then you can share with them, and they will be this will be also the most perfect answer for this question, that you, if you know someone motivated you, so you can mention. If there is no one, and you got motivation from your own self or from your own behalf, so then if there is no problem, you can say there is no one who motivated me. I just searched for this scholarship, and I wanted to study in Turkey, so I applied. And 10, the most important question is that why did you choose English medium universities? So this is for those students who have TOEFL, IELTS, and English proficiency test exam certificates. So those students who want to study in English medium university, so this is for those students. If you have these kind of certificates, and you applied and you choose English courses or English medium universities, so then they will ask that why did you choose this one? So then you can share your interest with them. that like I have my English skills are very better, so I want to go directly start my university, because when you came here, first you have to learn Turkish language. So if you have TOEFL X, maybe you can directly start university, and so then you can say that I have good skills in English, so I want to study my course or my department in English language. And 11th, the 11th, maybe it will be asked or not, but in some cases it is asked question that in cases we give you to the Turkish medium university, so will you accept it? So it's by only behalf by your that you will accept or not, but you have to give answer yes, that I will accept it, because it will improve your chance. They will think that you love Turkish language, therefore you say yes. So they are just asking this question for your mindset, that what you are thinking about Turkish language. And 12, the last not the least question, that for the master in research, the PhD in research students, mostly for the PhD in research students who publish their journals or articles and publications. So those students who, the ask question is that how did you know about many publications that you have published? So you have to say something about your publication, about your journals that you have published, about your articles that you have published. If you know something about those articles or journals that you have published in past, so maybe they will ask for you. So you have to carry your laptop or computer with yourself, so then you can share with them your journals or your proposal or articles or publication that you have published in past. So this will be also effective for those students. Maybe it's just for masters, and for a PhD and for bachelors are not, because they don't have them under publications. So this will be for the PhD research and maybe for the masters. So these are the questions that I have answered. So maybe it will be helpful for you guys. If you got information for this, just like the video, also share this video with your friends, because it's very helpful. Also subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and see you another video. Have a good time and